To contact Facebook's support team, start by navigating to your homepage or feed. In the top right corner, click on the profile or menu icon to access a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Help and Support, and then choose Report a Problem. You'll see two options, Help Facebook or Report Something Went Wrong. Choose the option that best matches your situation. Next, fill out all the required details in the form, clearly stating your purpose or issue. Be as detailed as possible to help Facebook understand your concern. Once you've completed the form, click Submit to send your request. Facebook will review your submission and you'll receive updates via notifications or email.